baby girl, guess what? Guess what? Guess what? We just hit 100 subscribers. Yay! Do a little dance. Woo! Yeah! Alright! We just want to thank everyone who's liked and commented and subscribed to us on the channel. Your support means so much. Now that we've kind of dipped our toes in the water with YouTube and gotten a feel for what it's like, we definitely want to start expanding the channel and doing more than just photo shoots. Alright, this baby does not want to be in this video anymore, so how about we put you down and mommy can finish up. Alright, baby is looking at herself in the mirror. I've got a couple of seconds here to get this video out. So again, I just want to thank everyone for the subscriptions, for the likes, for the comments. Your support really does keep me going, and you know, it pushes me to get a video out every week, and I just really appreciate the love that you guys have given. In the future here, I'm looking to do a lot more DIY videos. In those DIYs, maybe it's things that I'll be using for photo shoots that I will then make videos of, or maybe it'll just be DIY videos that I've been wanting to try for a really long time and haven't had a chance to do. I can't really say what those videos are going to be because it's really just what I've been interested in, and I can't say if they'll be a success or not because a lot of these things I've never done. Actually, most of these things I've never done. I am just your average mom trying pins from Pinterest that have inspired me over the years. Stay tuned for more. We're really at the infancy stage and there's so many developments that are going to be happening on this channel. So if you haven't done so already, subscribe below, leave a comment on maybe a DIY that you would love to see me do, and we'll see you next week. Oh.